Now we're back with the Porsche 718 Cayman. As you can see, a complete corroded brake pipe, and I definitely would recommend anyone who owns this car to check this, because that was happened after 7,000 miles. So not really great. So it's very important that this is checked, and this is a new pipe which the mechanic put in. So it's all nice and sorted. Cost around £28 on Porsche if they have it. Otherwise they have to order it from Germany, but obviously you can do it yourself as well if you have the right tools, or if you want, I will be able to give you the information. Just send me a message. I can give you information from a company who can do that for £10 for you. Just send me a text and I sort you out.